औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा ओ अल्लाह इंक्रीज़ मी इन नॉलेज। अस्सलाम वालेकुम respected parents and dear student, I hope you will be fine. I am going to teach class Advanced Montessori and the subject is English. Today our topic is make sentences with M to Z. मेक सेंटेंसेस विद M to Z। इससे पहले हम 1 to 12 वर्ड सेंटेंसेस बनाना सीख चुके हैं। आज हम 13 to 26 वर्ड सेंटेंसेस बनाना सीखेंगे। 13 है हमारा MAN मैन, GO गो, मैंगो, मैंगो मीन आम। मैंगो को सब पसंद करते हैं। इसका सेंटेंस हम बनाएंगे। राइट विथ मी डियर स्टूडेंट। I, वन फिंगर गैप, LI KE like, one finger gap, MAN man, go mango, full stop, I like mango. Number 14 NAIL nail, nail mean कील। इसका सेंटेंस हम बनाएंगे। THIS, this, one finger gap, is, this is, one finger gap, small, SMA, double L, small, one finger gap, nail, 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 full stop. This is a small nail. 15 ORANGE, orange, orange mean Malta. THIS, this, one finger gap, is, this is an, one finger gap, ORANGE, orange, full stop. Number 16 POT, pot, pot mean gamla, THAT, that, T को हमने टच नहीं करना। that is, that is a pot, 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 full stop. Number 17 QUILT, quilt, quilt mean लहाफ, जो आप सर्दियों में यूज करते हैं। THIS, this, one finger gap, is, a big, BIG, big. This is a big quilt, QU, UILT, quilt, full stop. Mango, I like mango. Nail, this is a small nail. Orange, this is an orange pot. That is a pot. Quilt, This is a pig quilt. 18. ROP rope. THAT that IS is a LONG long. ROP rope full stop. That is a long rope. 19. SNAIL snail. THIS this IS is a SNAIL snail full stop. This is a snail. 20. TAP tap. THAT that IS is a SHORT short. TAP tap full stop. That is a short tap. 21. UMBRELLA umbrella. THIS this IS is ANN. UMBRELLA umbrella full stop. This is an umbrella. 22. VIOLIN violin. THIS this IS is my VIOLIN violin. This is my violin. 23. WALL wall. THAT that IS is a PINK pink. WALL wall full stop. That is a pink wall. 24. XRAY ray X-ray. THIS this IS is ANN XRAY ray X-ray. This is an X-ray full stop. 25. YAK York. THIS this IS is a YAK York full stop. This is a York. 26. ZEBRA zebra. ILIKE like. ZEBRA zebra full stop. I like zebra. Diary words sentences learn and write on rough register. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.